What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be kind of a short tutorial on how to do a cut crease eye makeup on hooded eyes, on those sleepy eyes, the ones that I definitely have, and if you also have, I'm gonna show you how to imitate that you don't have them. This is an update version of my old video, how to do cut crease for hooded eyes. I did watch it yesterday and I was thinking, oh my god, I have to fix this, because the old video, I mean, if I will search today and try to find how to do a cut crease for my eyes, I will definitely not watch my video, because I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I know for some people they text me that it really helped for them and really makes me happy, but I wanna update my cut crease type of tutorial, because I have definitely improved how to deal with my eyes when it comes to cut crease. Cut crease is actually one of my, if not my favorite eye type of makeup look, because it does really visually totally changes the appearance of my eyes, and I really do want to help those women out there that maybe don't feel so comfortable about their eyes. They feel like they are too small, too sleepy, looks too tired. So I hope this video really gonna help you. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So first I'm gonna show you how to do not really cut crease, but eye makeup that will kind of do the eye contouring for the eyes, and after that I will cut the crease. So that's gonna be the finished look. And for today's eye makeup I'm gonna use again the VISEART matte, neutral matte palette 01. This has like all the neutral shades that I actually really need in one small palette, so I'm gonna use it today. And I'm gonna start with this color right here that I always use as my transition shade. So basically you have to choose a shade that is, I would say, 2-3 shades darker than your actual skin tone, to make like a, I mean, it's the first step to make everything smooth and radiant, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take like a bigger size of fluffy blending brush, and I always tap off the excess from the brush so it's not too much product in the first move. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna go windshield motions, circular motions in my crease. So basically your crease is like above the line. Like if I look straight, you can see the line, the crease line. I don't have that nice deep crease, so I'm gonna look down, and exactly in that crease where you can feel the bone, under the bone. I mean, it's so hard to explain, but you're going right in there and just blend the color. So this is how it should look when you have a blended the crease color. And what I always like to do is just take a little bit like white or just bone color eyeshadow and highlight the brow bone. It gives also a visual like higher eyebrows. I mean, it's not that my eyebrows are not high enough already, but I just like to highlight a little bit at that area of my eyes. So I have really a lot of eyelid space. Some people may not have that much eyelid space, so you will always choose smaller brushes. It depends on your eyes. So now I'm gonna take kind of a pencil brush. It's more fluffier pencil brush, and I'm just make sure that it's good enough to blend eyeshadow, but like in a very small portion of the eye. And I'm gonna take this brownish kind of color, but very little. We don't want to take too much product, and again, excess product, just tap it off. And now basically, where is the line, the natural line of the crease, right above it, you're just gonna kind of very lightly and only above that line blend this brown color. And in my old tutorial I did do this kind of blending only on the outer part of my eyes, which I think was one of the mistakes why actually it was not looking that good. These days I've learned that actually I have to blend like the darker color right till the end of my eye here in the inner corner, because this area is the tricky area when I look straight, which makes my eyes actually look sleepy. So if this area is not darkened enough with the eyeshadow, you will still look sleepy. Doesn't matter how dark it's this area. That one I really have understood with my makeup applications. And the intensity of the darker brown color, you can blend as much as you want. It depends, you going for more natural look or for more like evening, more intense eye look. Now I'm gonna take like a medium-sized blending brush, and you can take either the same transition shade or a little bit darker than that, and just blend the edges so everything is nice and blended and smooth. So basically this is done. If you want to go just for the contouring part, just to contour and mimic the appearance of tired and sleepy eyes, this is basically what I do whenever I'm just like I'm going out but I don't want to put too much makeup, but I want just a little bit change the appearance of my eyes and make them not look so sleepy. I know for some people this might look too much, but for me, if I take photos, this will be just enough to see in the photos actually my eyes, how they look a little bit more different, because as we know in the photos it's not really easy to see the makeup, so if I put a little bit more than usually, it is visible in the photos more. And now moving on to the kind of actual cut crease, this part is just basically concealer and just really cutting the crease with a sharp line. So for that you will need any kind of concealer. It's a messy concealer, but this is the full coverage concealer from KIKO. I always use it for my eyebrows to like clean up the eyebrow line or to do the cut crease. And I'm using LA Pro Girl concealer. I don't use the actual concealer, I just use the brush, which is really weird, but I don't know why I'm used to it and I really like it. So I'm just dipping into the concealer. Basically when you cut the crease, you just want to start maybe with the mid part of your eye and just look in the mirror and kind of focus like above the line, a little bit above the line. You wanna, I'll just make a line, like map out where it's gonna start. So when you look straight, it should be just a very little bit, like 1 millimeter above the actual crease line you have. And then what we're gonna do is just start with the concealer, clean it up. This part is really like long and boring, and sometimes you can mess it up, but always you can use smaller brushes and clean up. It's not a big of a deal. So something like this. Now I'm gonna take like a very small brush and almost pointed, and a little bit that brown, darker brown eyeshadow, and we're just gonna like clean up the edges wherever like you made a mistake. I did a little bit put here above the concealer. Try to look from all the sides of your eyes and see where you need to put more concealer or clean up with the eyeshadow. Just gonna take that pencil brush and blend very lightly above that concealer. And yeah, when that's done, basically the concealer you can set either with a natural bone color, white color, or any color you desire. Today I'm going for a very natural look, so I will set with this one, the lighter color. So yeah, basically that's about it for the cut crease. All we need to do is just put some mascara. Actually, you can do whatever you further want. You can put eyeliner when the eyeliner looks very nice. Then you can put mascara, some lashes. That's basically the classic cut crease look. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. How the cut crease slash contouring looks like with the lashes, mascara. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope this was for somebody helpful, for somebody very easy to achieve. I know it's a bit struggle when it comes to cut crease, to a little bit change up your eye look, but for me in my makeup journey, definitely this was the best I ever learned in my life for makeup, as when it comes to my eyes, because it does really change the appearance of my eyes, and I really like when my eyes look more like deeper, bigger, and just something a little bit more different than usually I'm used to it, because I do have a hooded eyes, especially in the mornings. They're very puffy and I don't like that look. I like very open eyes and bright and just, you know the drill. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please push thumbs up if you like this video. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments down below, and I really hope to see you on my next tutorial. And subscribe if you still haven't. See you, bye.